Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another little pudding. This time it's called the Peppermint Tart. Now as you'll see, there are a couple ingredients down here. There's 1 tin of condensed milk, 1 tin of ideal milk or any type of evaporated milk. You'll need 1 tin of caramel. With the peppermint stuff, you can actually use either 1 slab or you could use these sized bars. Okay? So you also need 1 packet of lemon flavored jelly, and also for the base, 1 packet of tennis biscuits. So here we're gonna actually blend the peppermint chocolate. You can use any type of peppermint chocolate, but it must specifically be peppermint chocolate, alright? That's the thing that makes the peppermint tart the peppermint tart. Which, by the way, my grandmother actually loves quite a lot. She makes this every year. It's like one of her specialities. So we're gonna blitz the peppermint chocolate in 3, 2, 1. So let's quickly check the aroma of this thing. So nice. Now we're gonna make the lemon jelly. So it needs to be lemon jelly, FYI. So, oh nice. Okay, let's have this. Nice. Doesn't look too bad, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. So, now that we've got all that powderized, so we need a full cup of boiling water. It has to be boiled, and you don't need a Yoda cup for this one, luckily. Hooray. So let's just pour this in. And let's get going. Alright, so our next step is to beat this evaporated milk until it is stiff. And now as you can see, it's pretty darn runny, but with this step, we're gonna change that. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so now we're gonna add the next 2 ingredients. The first one is half of these peppermint tart filling, aka the peppermint chocolate. Make sure it's half of this, because if you use all of it, then well, it just goes against the rules, eh? Alright, that should be good. So now, let's blitz! Okay, so we're gonna quickly add this lemon jelly. Then, directly after, we blitz. Alright, so now that we've mixed the lemon jelly in, which I hope you've done already, we're gonna mix both the condensed milk and then afterwards we're gonna do tin of caramel. Okay, so let us pour this boy in. Let's just scoop some more out. Yeah, boy. There we go. Alright, let's start blitzing. Alright, so now that we've mixed the condensed milk in, now let's scoop in the tin of caramel, which is a very thick. Oh, it's thick. Yeah. Oh. Oh! Let's mix it again. Okay, so now that we have done the peppermint filling of the mixture, now we can carry on the crust with this packet of tennis biscuits. Right, so let us open this up. Oh, that's nice. I think I could actually go. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. So now, let's pour in the rest of the tennis biscuits. Oh, and you always have to make sure it's a nice consistency. So. There we go. There we go. Perfect. So now, to finish off the crust, we're going to be adding the melted butter from earlier, or margarine, whichever one you choose, to the tennis biscuits. There we go. Now, we just mix it. Now that we've finished with the crust and we finished with the filling, let's just add the filling back. Make sure it doesn't, make sure it doesn't set all the way, because if it's completely set, then well, you need to make it again, and that can be a little bit stressful, so make sure it's completed. Alright. Now guys, for our final step. Now this is optional guys. If you don't want to do this, then it's not really needed. But done, you just sprinkle the other half of the peppermint crisp on there. Look at all that. Okay, so now that we finally finished the tart, hooray! Now we have to finally set it into the fridge, but for how long? We need to wait 6 hours for it to be in the fridge, for it to set, then you can take it out and enjoy! If you guys liked this video or found it informative, please like and sub, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!